Fingerspelling comes in handy every day in American Sign Language. ASL speakers use fingerspelling to talk about things like brand names, books, movies, and more. But there's some very important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when fingerspelling. Let's jump into Tony's sign language class and find out more. Hey everyone, Maria here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest language tips straight from our virtual classroom. If you're just starting to learn ASL, this tutorial will help you master fingerspelling quickly and effectively. Keep watching to learn how to fingerspell, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on the newest ASL content. We hope this video helped you understand more about fingerspelling in ASL. If you want to gain access to dozens of free online sign language classes, don't forget to click on the link below in the description box. These live classes will help you to master more of the basics of ASL. So go ahead and click on the link below and get signed up today.